Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to be replacing the headlight on a 2010 Ford F150. Same process if you want to change the whole headlight assembly. So guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so there's 3 bolts that hold the headlight assembly in. They are number 10 bolts. There's only 3 of them. Now if you can't find your number 10, it's probably on vacation with that other sock you can't find that was just in the dryer, because we all know number 10s walk away, and we all know that you put a pair of socks in the dryer, only one comes out. Who knows? Things you can't explain in life. Guys, let's go ahead and pull this assembly out and get this headlamp or headlight replaced. Alright guys, it's a very simple process. I'm just using a drill to make it faster. I was actually able to find number 10. If not, I'd probably spend an hour on video trying to find one. Alright, so we got the 3 bolts out. Put them here where they won't get lost. Now all you do is simply hold the headlight forward. There's a little clamp. Not clamp, but I'll show you here. Right here. We have these things. These things here is what's holding in the headlamp over here. Now you gotta pull off the whole stupid headlamp assembly to change any of your bulbs. But today we're only changing out the headlight. And it should twist, but if it doesn't, that's what these are for. Let's go ahead and take off the plug first so we don't break it. Okay, comes out just like that. If you don't already know, your Ford takes an H13 bulb. These are silver stars. Links in the description below if you want to pick some up. Goes right back in the way it came out. And we'll make this a little snug. There we go. It has a little bit of a click when it's locked. Plug the lamp back in. There, it slides right back in. Reverse process. Sorry for the wind if the wind's picking up on the camera. So there we go. Just 1, 2, 3. That's it. All done. And that's how you change the light bulb or the headlamp assembly, or remove it to change your signals on a 2010 Ford F150 truck. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.